Okay, this is video number 3 of lesson 4.2, the cosine law. So in this problem, we see that we don't have a golden ratio, which automatically means we need to start using the cosine law. We do have two sides, and the angle between them, that's side angle side, which means the cosine law as well. But right now, if this is the angle that I know, then if I use the cosine law, then this is the side that I would know, that I would be looking for. And that's really all I have. That's the only option that I have. Sometimes with trigonometry, just like with geometry, you can't get at the answer that you need right away. You just have to do what you can do, and hopefully eventually you can figure out what the unknown is that you're actually looking for. So this is going to be, the way I have this labeled, A, B, and C, this is going to be side B, this is going to be side A, and this is going to be side C. So I'm going to use the cosine law to find side B, because that's the only thing I have in my arsenal right now. So B squared equals the other two sides, A squared plus C squared, minus 2AC, and then the cosine of B. So B squared equals 4 squared plus 5 squared minus 2 times 4 times 5 times the cosine of 100 degrees. So B is going to equal the square root of all that. 4 squared plus 5 squared minus 2 times 4 times 5 times the cosine of 100. Okay, so on my calculator, I'm doing it like this. 4 squared plus 5 squared minus 2 times 4 times 5 times cosine of 100. Then I hit equals. And that was 47.9459. And now I need to square root that answer. Here, let's just write that down. 47.9459. So B equals the square root of that answer, which is about 6.92. Okay, so now I know that this side is 6.92. I have, whoops, let's take that out of there. I have an angle and the side opposite it now, which means I can use the sine law. I have a golden ratio. So now I can use the sine law to find angle X. So according to the sine law, the sine of 100 degrees divided by 6.92 equals the sine of X over the side opposite X over 5. Multiply both sides by 5 to get the sine of X by itself. So sine of X equals 5 times the sine of 100 divided by 6.92. So 5 times the sine of 100 divided by 6.92 is 0.711566. So X would equal sine inverse of that. And when you do this, you need to hold a minimum of 4 decimal places. Okay, minimum of 4 decimal places. And what you really should do is just leave the whole decimal on your calculator and then do your sine inverse. Okay, you want all of that. So that's 45.4 degrees. Okay, this is going to be a short video because the next one is a little bit different. So I'm going to stop there.